Welcome to our vlog. Jadi di video kali ini kita akan membahas tentang tutorial packing ala backpacker. Jadi sebelum tonton video ini, please subscribe ya, karena subscribe itu nggak bayar kok, gratis untuk anda semua. So keep on watching.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Oke. Itu bisanya.
Iya, ngapain ya?
Iris tomatnya kecil-kecil. Sudah iris tomat, masukkan sedikit minyak makan. Jangan lupa masukkan minyak makan secukupnya ya guys.